Hello friends, this is R. Karthikeyan doing MD General Medicine from Maulana Azad Medical College. So why am I here? Our MBBS students, mostly the pre-finals and final years, neglect an important part of medicine. Yeah, it's the clinical medicine. As well as in this COVID situations, even those who wanted to concentrate on that are affected. So what are we going to do? Yeah, we are trying our level best to bring you clinical medicine in an interesting as well as in a sketchified manner. One more thing, regarding practicals, everyone will be scared on the day before practicals. The reason behind it is the Viva sessions. In the Viva sessions, what makes an examiner fail you? If you are not strong with your basic fundamental concepts, then at that point only the examiner will decide you to fail. So we in our lecture series, we are going to present basic information to advanced clinical information. Okay, so friends, these concepts require really time for you to understand it properly. So don't take it as some long lecture series. It's best if you take some time to understand these fundamental concepts so that you won't be failed in the practicals. And at the same time, understanding these concepts makes you a good clinician at the end of the day. So, how will you differentiate a dyspnea, whether it's due to a cardiovascular cause or a respiratory cause? So, is paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea really paroxysmal? What is the mechanism behind it? Yes, we will be focusing all these things in very much detailed manner, starting from history taking, clinical examination of all the systems in an integrated way and in our sketchified way. So, if you are strong in these areas, whether it's NEET or next, we are going to crack anything. And you can join us on our social media, WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, the links which are provided below the description. And if you feel that our efforts really matter, you can like our videos. You can comment what and all improvements you expect from our videos. And if you really think that we do the best thing to you, you can subscribe us. So this series is available both in English as well as Tamil. So பயப்படாதீங்க, ரொம்ப ஈஸியா fundamental concepts நாங்க டெலிவர் பண்ண ட்ரை பண்றோம். Okay, all the best.